Once you've got the curlers out, you can start arranging the curls where you'd like them. I have some wide tooth combs for brushing things out with, but I'll mainly be using my hands to get the style I need. This is the time it's okay to be picky. Do you want these to show up in photos or not? If you have curled an area too much or want the beard to relax a little, you can spray a little water on the area and comb it with your fingers or wide tooth comb, and that will help the curl become relaxed. I have a large hairnet, which is helpful. Maggie from ZM Hair includes a hairnet or two with the pieces when you order, so save those hairnets because you're going to need those. I need to get some much larger hairnets than what I have currently because my beards keep getting bigger and bigger, and I have bigger hairnets, but I need them larger.